Is nandito kami, hindi ko sila inaway. I don't even know him.
That's why I want to ask
Okay,
him.
ha? I don't even know him. Pumunta siya, dyan siya nakatira. I even thanked him sa bravery niya, nagpa-interview siya sa Reuters.
Correct. That's why I wanted
Tapos
to
bakit
ask.
nag-uwi mo? Sinabi mo,
I wanted-
hinayjack nito. We were shocked.
That's my opinion.
That's your opinion, exactly. This is also my opinion.
Okay, bye.
Then who
You know
are
what?
you?
So who are
Who
you?
are you? I'm Tio Moran, and who are you?
I am Dan.
Oh, so you're then.
So you are.
Oh, well, really? The fact that you are
No,
commenting
actually,
about
Dan,
me
I-
speaks volumes
wait,
that you know
wait,
me.
ako muna, Tio.
And who are you again? Dan.
So
Wait lang.
shout out us reaction vlog, YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. Mabuhay kayo.
Bobo ka ba?
Hi! Sa mga nakalive, Gen Z, ang tatapang na nila online.
Golden Marcos resign.
Wait lang, relax tayo.
Huwag mo resign. Wag kang ginawa.
Wala pagmayari ng lugar ito. Iyo to? Sa'yo to?
Sa'yo to?
Sa'yo to?
Talaga?
Yan yung sabi ng hijack ng
Yes.
event.
Ikaw.
Bakit yan? Ano, hijacker ka?
Yes, hijacking. Golden Marcos fake vloggers.
Fake vloggers, ano ka? Wait muna, para klaro tayo
Go,
ba?
Alvin!
Wait lang,
Do
wait
not
lang.
mediate us.
No, kasi para ano ba, klaro ba?
No, hindi
Klaro.
kasi ang nangyari is nandito kami, hindi ko sila inaway. I don't even know him.
That's why I want to ask
Okay,
him.
ha? I don't
Oh.
even know him. Pumunta siya, dyan siya nakatira. I even thanked him sa bravery niya, nagpa-interview siya sa Reuters.
Correct. That's why I wanted
Tapos
to
bakit
ask.
nag-uwi mo? Sinabi
I
mo,
wanted-
hinayjack nito. We were shocked.
That's my opinion.
That's your opinion, exactly. This is also my opinion.
Okay, bye.
Then who
You know
are
what?
you?
So who are
Who
you?
are you? I'm Tio Moran, and who are you?
I am Dan.
Oh, so you're then.
So you are.
Oh, well, really? The fact that you are
No,
commenting
actually,
about
Dan,
me
I-
speaks volumes
wait,
that you know
wait,
me.
ako muna, Tio.
And who are you again? Dan.
So
Wait lang,
far,
wait lang, Tio. Pasalita mo na, Tio.
Ay, mga salita siya. Okay, alam mo.
Ako ba sa kanya? Wait lang. Kasi then, you know, when you came here, we didn't want to create this narrative na mga may division. Okay?
there's already a division, Alvin.
Kaya nga, wait muna, wait. Because I wanted to make sure, I wanted to make you feel na you are received here properly, walang ma-issue ganyan, and we were very
Hindi,
shocked. na
baka
meron
matapon ko yung
mga
konti sa ganyan.
na ganoon. Kaya sabi ko, bakit ba siya magsabi na nahadlock kami or parang hinijack ng event? We welcome you, correct or not?
Exactly. You
Yeah,
welcome me.
we ask you na gusto mo ba ng food or ganito. We didn't want any kanang parang hostility towards your treatment. That's why we are very shocked na bakit ka nagpa-post ng mga ganoon when we only wanted about to show our unwavering love and support para kay PR. What's the motivation?
Well, to be honest, it's a message. It's a private conversation. And I don't know. It was posted. That's my opinion and that's my take on it.
So you have problem with Rudy Bulilit?
Awayin
Posting
niyo
niya?
siya. Bakit ako yung away?
No, but no, my motivation, my question is, what's your motivation?
What an argument.
What's your motivation about coming here and then asking, posting these things whatsoever, communication about Rudy Bulilit? What, to make us look bad?
I did not post it. He posted it without my permission. It's a private conversation.
That's why it's already posted.
Ang headline bukas.
They even give her a chance to talk last time, right?
Di ba?
Yeah, you talk now. You forgot.
Di ba? Winelcome yan ng maayos nung tayong event, tapos gaganyan-ganyan siya, gaga.
Relax, kalma lang. Kalma lang mo. Pag-live lang ko. Puso mo, ang puso. Tig-live lang ko, oy.
Was posted without consent.
He said that a lot of Filipino supporters flew all the way from Davao to here just to show their love, unwavering love and support, okay? That's established. Wait lang.
No, you're also diverting from the topic. It's like, why would you take a private conversation?
Nak, mag-live tayo, nak. Yan mo ito gawin, nak. San sa kitan?
So what's the problem here? Somebody is taking offense on a private message which was not for him to
But the
see.
private message is about us here.
And no, it is about a personal
Did
experience.
you read his message?
Personal experience.
And then it is not also
That's the
proper.
problem.
I
You
know.
go to an event and then you have these things and then you communicate with Rudy Bulilit.
But
When in
still,
fact this person
we're
has something
still diverting from the main subject, that which is
Yan
why can we not just keep it at the subject? Why does it have to create division? Why it's not meant for discussion. Don't make it subject for discussion. It's about Brody. It's not about anything
It's about
else.
Brody.
Yeah. So It's not about anything else.
You know what? Ang naka-open lang sa akin talaga din, yung sinabi mo na you hijack the event. Why would you hijack a Duterte event?
That's
How
not what
would I
he said.
hijack your event? How
How
did I?
you said it yourself! Then why are you saying that you haven't hijacked the event?
And now we're still
Yes.
going away
Yeah.
from the basic line. Are we here for Rodrigo or are we here to make
Exactly.
discussion about nothing? No,
Yeah,
that's what I'm
exactly.
asking you. Are you making discussion about nothing? Or are you here to support Rodrigo Duterte and to call out for Marcos Rosales?
So, the premise
no,
of your statement
that's-
is
that's
very
also-
basic.
Oh my
You
God,
cannot
you
say
guys
like
don't
that.
have
We
the
are here
best
for
debaters.
PRRD. And then
No,
the
that's
subject-
not what I'm saying.
No,
I'm asking
Ayos
you,
ako explaining.
is this the main cause why we're here? Should we be
Wala ko
divided
kayo.
over
Kala
futility?
still bigangi.
Futility
Huwag na
are you
ulo.
talking about?
It's-
The futility started when then actually, when the private conversation of then was posted by
Grabe.
Roddy. That's it.
So-
Is it my fault?
So then,
Is it
so
my
then-
fault when they posted the private
Correct ko daw.
conversation without my consent? Answer me.
Totoo pala yun,
Is
hijack.
it my fault when they posted a private conversation without consent?
It's very rhetorical, so I'm not going to answer it.
Yes or no?
The question is, why would this? Of course, it's not your fault because somebody.
Yes, it's not
good.
my fault.
Okay,
Good.
so you're
And
okay
also
with it.
expressing...
No, you're okay with it. Your private
expressing-
conversation posted.
No, of course not.
Tama naman siya ka dahil. Nagag-chika, wala
personal
mo.
Kasi
feeling.
nga, gang, I wanted to point this out because it's very sad. We are here
No,
for
I'm not sad,
PRRD.
actually.
No, for me.
For you.
Kasi we are here for PRRD and then all of these side comments, hijacking, ganito. What do you want to go? Di ba?
Okay, attorney.
A lot of division.
All of you are supporters of Tatay Digong.
Correct. Oh.
When I was in the Philippines, I saw something like this
Okay.
in social media. Kami sa Pilipinas nalulungkot.
Oh.
You know,
Wow.
we should come out, bring up the best of the DDS. We have to be united. United not only in words, but in deeds.
Yes, please.
What is the messaging that we're trying to show the world when the supporters are quarreling among themselves?
Correct.
Who will benefit from this? It's the Marcos administration.
Marcos resign.
That's why
Exactly.
I'm one of your Duterte 10. I'm so saddened with what I personally witnessed
That's
now.
right now.
I appeal
Now.
to all of you. Let's be one.
Let's all
let's
for
go for the
Marcos
win.
resign. Yes.
Can I say something? Okay, we wanted to unite, but for the likes of them, labeling them like, or you
Likes of me?
ganito, ganyan. What is
No,
that?
no, it's like this. My suggestion to everybody. Sometimes we cannot force friendship.
Thank
among
you, sir.
ourselves.
Exactly.
Yes.
We cannot
Correct.
force it, but let's try to respect each other.
Exactly.
If there is a situation where you really do not want to talk with that person, just stay at distance because we cannot force. So if this is although when I was thinking that the Duterte Street is such a long street, it's just is. So if we cannot stay united, let's respect each other. Stay in one place. The other group stays in the other place. Don't let the other one hear each other or insult each other. Please be respectful.
Bili ka nito,
The
oh.
whole Philippines
Gumagalaw.
is watching us,
Meron
especially
ka? Dalhin
the
mo.
Duterte supporters. What kind of messaging are we showing everybody if we are not united? Please, all of you are our friends. You know, from the Duterte 10, from the Duterte supporters in the Philippines. I am with my wife. We're so proud to see the Filipino community all over the world come here and be united. Then I personally witnessed this.
Now I bring you here. You see now the reality.
Please, even if we have personal opinions against another person, let's be more patient and keep it to ourselves. Yung tao nakakulong doon na sa tingin natin,
Exactly our
walang
point.
sala. So please, let us sacrifice our personal feelings, no? For all. Attorney Roque is here. Mahirap rin sitwasyon ni Attorney Roque. Malayo sa pamilya. No? So, intindihin rin natin si Attorney Roque.
Yes.
Nobody is perfect. May mga
Yes.
may mga
Yes,
damdamin ang lahat.
Respect him.
Let's respect each other. Kung talagang hindi natin. So, this is a dress all. Okay. I hope na after this, there is hope. Yung iba sa amin, sa Duterte 10, takot makisali dito kasi baka madamay raw. Damay ng buong Duterte supporters dahil nagkawatak-watak. Please, let's sacrifice our personal feelings for the benefit of the bigger cause. And the bigger cause is we bring back Tatay Digong home.
Yes, that's the way.
The bigger cause is we put a good president by 2028.
Correct.
And the bigger cause is for us to have leaders that will bring development and peace to our country.
Attorney, can I interrupt you? This has nothing to do with the away, ha? I just want to make everything clear here. The first ever Maisog, I think you were there. I was there. I'm part of the organizing team. And kayo, nakakita namin mga post nila, double agent, mga bayaran, blah, blah, blah. Those were the accusations levied at us. We didn't make battle for them. We didn't make battle for so many months, for several months. We didn't make battle. It's just that, up until now, yung mga pagpunta namin dito issue sa kanila, hindi naman ako pobre. I mean, I have 3 jobs. I can afford to travel. Pero yan yung pinagsasabi nila sa akin. Tapos, I can't shout daw Marcos resign. I was there when Baste shouted Marcos resign. We were there doing the narratives for Marcos to resign, impeach Marcos and everything. Pero may mga tao dito na nag-accuse sa amin. Tapos, organic security supporters, double agent, fake security supporters.
Ito
Ina talaga.
Lahat tayo may feelings.
Ang iba, feeling mo
the one thing that unites us is our love of country. And love of country and our belief na naging magandang pangulo si Tatay Digong. Now, what kind of messaging do we show the Filipinos pag ganito nangyayari? This actually exemplifies what's happening now to the Philippines. Watak-watak ang Pilipinas. Pati ba naman ang oposisyon, watak-watak? So please, ang personal feelings natin, isakripisyo natin for the bigger cause. It applies to all. Hindi lang sa isang grupo, sa pangalawang grupo. Now, avoid yung mang-insulto sa kasama natin na mga DDS o sa kasama natin na Maisog, sa kasama nating PDP laban. What do we benefit kung mang-insulto tayo sa isa't isa? So, please, let's unite for the fight. I appeal to everybody. Sana, uwi na ako bukas. Uwi na. Tayo uwi rin yung marami. Ang mga Pilipino na nandito sa the Netherlands, salamat sa hospitality ninyo. Salamat sa humba. Talagang nakita ko yung humba. Why do we fight about the humba? Mas malaki yung kinakaharap natin na laban. Ang bababaw natin.
Correct!
Lahat tayo.
Pati yung book.
Lahat tayo mababaw. Kaya, baguhin natin yan. We have bigger fights. So, please forgive each other. Please forgive each other. And keep to ourselves yung mga masama na damdamin. Huwag lang mag-publicly insulto sa isa't isa.
Yes!
Please.
Exactly. Ano-ano.
Dapat mangyari.
Mas
Correct.
ang
Dapat ina-apply niya sa mga sarili
kailangan natin
ninyo.
ipaglaban ng Pilipinas.
Kita inaway. Diba?
Lahat.
So, are you here? O, sino ka ba?
Ito
Bullying. Bullying. Exactly, di ba? Akala ko ba i-apply mo sa sarili mo?
Ikaw rin.
Again na.
Kayo yung huli.
Please.
Bakit?
Kayo po ng
Taking the next fight.
Bakit sinabi natin
Taking the next fight.
O, saan yung mo? O, see? You're agreeing with that.
Huli.
Bully.
Taking the next fight.
Alex Nestor, bully! 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 You're a bully! You're a bully! Alex Nestor, you're a bully!
Yes, I am. Please, please.
Yes,
Oh,
you
yes.
are.
Again.
You
Alex
are.
Nestor, you're a bully. Yes, I am.
Excuse me.
Nanggugulo kayo dito. Ikaw ang gulo dito.
Really? Ayaw nang habol ang face-off? Ha? Face-off? Gusto mo? Ha? Sige. Ha? Buang ka, ha?
Kaya nga, kaya nag-post ng post eh. Oh!
Kasi. Ay, iba yan. Ano ba? Kaya atong ano natin.
Hala.
Huwag mong ganunin. Stop the line! Hindi ka kayo nakakaya! Ayan! Stop the line! Nakakaya! Stop the line! Stop the line na! Nakakaya! No! No! No!
Hala.
It's necessary to stop the line! Because this is the evidence! Hindi, don't stream live na lang. Just no! Ayaw na! Sila ang manya! Why is it apply yourself? Kaya nga, dapat hindi ka sinabi, apply to yourself. Ito siya eh. Yan siya ang dahilan. Bilis lang. Hindi ba ito? Leader daw dito. Ikaw yung nakakaintindi.
Diba, ang akin ba? Huwag na tayo mag-live. Kaya sana. Nakakaya. Guys, stop the live. Pwede ba mag-stop ng live para hindi tayo mag-stop tayo ng live. Basta live nakakaya magtatawa yung mga ibang tao. Mag-stop na yung live. Walang gawin na. That's yung getting physical.
Sino yun gisuntok?
Hindi,
Sino, Day?
ginanunan ni ano eh.
Kinsa?
Inatake, hindi,
Kinsa, Day?
Yung kasama namin.
Oo.
Ni Teo eh. Ni Teo.
Hala.
Inatake niya eh.
Uy.
Huwag ganun.
Basta mag-live na lang ko.
Ayaw kay makita.
Namay na sila, Merisi.
Kita katawaan ka sa
Oh man na, Day. Dagang kay live tayo.
katawaan ka sa oposisyon nga.
Hala, lalo.
Huwag lang magmura dito na siya sa amin. Kaya nagpumalag din asawa ko kasi yung ang bunganga niya ba, magmura.
Bakit kayo nagmumura?
Please lang.
Sino
Kung
nagmura?
gusto makipagbati, huwag kayong magmura. Please lang.
Palagi kayong nagpaparinig sa amin. O bakit kayo nagdaganyan? Bakit kayo nagdalawa?
Magmura?
Dalawang beses. Oo.
Sinong nagmura, Day?
Hindi naman nagmura.
Ah.
Oh! Akala ko ba maayos to?
Kayo yung maiwan dito.
Yes po, kami ang
Attorney, ay pakiusap lang namin, huwag magmura dito. Magmura, gusto nila nakipag-ayos.
Pinalive.
Ayos sila
Nagpaparinig.
Pana.
Bakit kayo nagpaparinig sa amin?
Nakikinig nga sa inyo eh.
At least para sa
Sino ba sila? Taga dito kami. Sino ba sila?
Hala.
Na turista lang sila para manggulo dito.
Palayasin na talaga tayo ng kiminti dito.
Bahala sila.
Kaya wag lang kaming murahin po. Tanong lahat mo.
Kinakalit nyo kami dahil
Nagulo.
hindi kami sikat. Kayo sikat?
Ano kayo?
Siya din nagtula.
Oo. Kami, andito, organic kami.
Ito mga yan, ma-impress.
Oo, tapos kami pa ang binubuli ninyo? Ha?
Sikat lang eh. Pag wala na, uwi na si tatay, wala na kayo.
VIP kayo, hindi kayo VIP dito. Hindi kayo special, mga ulol.
Kaya tingnan mo, napiko na pati ibang supporter.
Oh, minumura-mura. Excuse me, you're a bully. Teo Moreno, aka Alex Destur. Shut up!
Hoy, turista lang kayo dito.
Turista ka dito, fuck you ka!
Kami, residents kami dito.
Residents kami dito, ikaw ba?
Sumbang, Day?
Iyong gituklod! Iyong giataya tao ni
Kinsa?
Kaya minto, ayos kayo.
Kato.
Kani, oh. Wala na nag-aunsa.
Si Don?
Dili, si Indoy ba? Kani ba? O, naka-jacket to ito.
VIP kayo, sikat! Fuck you kayo!
Okay lang yan.
Hindi niya masabi kay Arnie Marcos, nasabihan si Bongbong Marcos na wabusan.
Tawagin PA.
Oh,
Nandiyan na yung polis. Darating na yung polis.
Hoy, alam, yan ang pulis. Ano?
Polis, darating
huwag
na.
na kami hinahamon-hamon dito, kami taga dito kami. Sino ka ba? Paparinig ka dito, you're a bully. Even Harry Roque, you bully them. Binibully niyo si Harry Roque. Hindi mo kami murahin. Tangina ka.
Siya lumapit sa akin. Nilapitan niya ako.
Walang aalis para ano to,
Sabi ko sa kanila, di ba? Tapos sila pa nagsha-shout ng respect and violence.
Alam, dyan na naman si Humba. Oh. Si Humba.
Ma'am, tama na ma'am. Ma'am, damo, daghan na kayong chika, ma'am. Daghan na kayong chika.
Live lang tayo dalawa, sister. Hindi ka nag-live?
Hindi naman kayo dito.
Turista lang kayo dito.
Kami taga dito.
Kaya umalis kayo.
Malis kayo dito, na-trouble day ka.
Ano hanggang anong oras?
Yung may kinalaman sa drugs.
Sino pumunta sa polis?
Walang aalis.
Walang aalis. Walang aalis.
Dave,
Oo, walang aalis.
Walang aalis.
walang alis.
Boy tamtak. Yan, nagbubuli yung dalawa. Putang-putangin na kayo sa amin. Sige, ngayon.
Pahiya yung ganito.
Let's fix this
internally.
Organic pala kayo, hindi nyo masabi na kay Marcos na mag-resign si
Kung saan man din mag-attack.
Ang bana ni Kuan, bana ni Ate. Yan simbol si Kuan. Yan kami dito.
Oh, ate po tumbagol sa ni Juan.
Kailan kayo kami mura-murahin nyo. Paki na rin.
Okay, the situation is this. There was an argument, it was verbal, and then afterwards, it escalated.
Sila madami
The husband and her husband. Wait lang. They were,
Nagpaparinig, mura-mura pa kami.
Bawal ang pisikal, ha?
and then all of a sudden, listen to me. They were verbally fighting, and then all of a sudden, the husband wants to protect her. So, you jump on punch them, and now
Talk to the police. I want
he was on the
May
ground.
talk to the police. Talk to the police.
He came to the rescue.
Bakit umabot kayo sa ganunin?
Sa pumunta sa akin.
Ha? Sa pumunta sa akin. Okay lang ang murahan. Okay lang ang murahan eh. Hindi nagmura?
Okay, restock, relax lang.
Alam mo, kami PRRD kami. Hindi namin gusto na mura-mura.
So that we have
Respetuhin nyo kami. Huwag nyo kami.
Wala ka nit. Kakaya. Pag-live na lang ako, bahala kayo dyan. Dami ko ng...
Shoutout na ba?
Oh, shout out ko lang. Kalaoy.
Sino ba yung na tulak?
Hindi, inano nila eh, si Paulo. Si Paulo. Pwede mag lang yung murahan. Walang physical.
Yung physical sila eh.
Kasi pag physical na, bawal na yan.
Meron kami desisyon. Mag-sorry sila na hindi na magapo yung pulis,
Ha? Kaya nga, mas gusto ko makipag-ano sa mga pulis.